Here, the Fat Yankee, my friend. So listen, we're gonna make some more beef jerky today, baby. You know it, right? So we're gonna make a sweet sesame beef jerky. Absolutely delicious. A little Asian fusion going on, guys. Sweet sesame beef jerky. Very little bit of ingredients in this recipe, guys. There's not much to this recipe. It is fantastic. A nice, sweet, medium style jerky. It's not hot at all, not very spicy at all, guys. So you're gonna like this one, okay? Sweet sesame beef jerky. Let's get started. You know what we gotta do, right? Put the kids in a pool, baby. 2 pounds of black Angus beef, guys. That's what we're gonna do. So we got our ingredients here. We're gonna use some soy sauce today. You know I love my Haccp soy sauce. Then we're gonna use some rice wine vinegar, guys. We'll use some honey, some minced garlic, and we're gonna use a little bit of catsup today, right? And then we're going to use some sesame oil, some sesame seed, and some ginger, guys, okay? So dry powdered ginger. Now, you can use the fresh stuff as well. But don't go crazy with it because ginger has a very strong flavor. Actually, ginger's great for just putting on steaks on the grill, too. So, again, you can use the fresh stuff. I'm going to use the powdered today, okay? So let's get started, my friends. Let's start putting these kids and get them swimming over here, baby. So we're going to use 3/4 of a cup of soy sauce, guys. So again, this is what we use for our cure. So 3/4 of a cup, just like that. Now the salt in this soy sauce is going to cure our beef. So it turns it into a nice dried beef jerky that has a shelf life of about 3 months with that 3/4 cup of soy sauce. Okay, guys? So listen, 3/4 cup of soy sauce. We're going to use some honey in this recipe as well. So we're going to use, on the honey side, we're going to use a 1/2 cup of honey. Okay. That's going to give it a nice sweet flavor to go with that nice sesame flavor that we're going to put in here as well, guys. So sesame is a nice mild flavor. I like a nice sesame chicken or a nice sesame steak too, guys. It's fantastic, okay? So I'm just going to squeeze the rest of this honey out of this container, guys. Honey is very expensive these days. All right, I'm going to rinse these out real quick. There we are, my friends, nice and clean. Okay, so we got our honey in there. We're going to use some minced garlic now, guys. The stuff that's mixed with water, okay? So we don't want to use garlic that is mixed with oil. We want to use the stuff that's minced with water. And here we got 1 tablespoon of garlic in here. And listen, you can never overdo it on the garlic, friends. So don't worry if you put too much in there, okay? So we got the minced garlic. We're going to use some sesame oil now. So this is very different. We're going to use 3 tablespoons of good sesame oil, okay? There's 1, 2, 3. Give it a nice sesame flavor. All right, guys, there we go. Whew. It's hot in this kitchen today, my friends. So let me just wash my hands here. And let's add the rest of these ingredients, guys. So we got our sesame oil in there. Now we want to add our sesame seed, okay? Now usually when I infuse something, I usually use, and I always say the power of 3. But today I'm just going to use 2. We're going to use some sesame seed here. You could probably get some sesame extract online and use that as well. But I'm going to use, here, I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of sesame seed, okay? 3 tablespoons. So 1, that's going to get on the beef like that. 2, and 3. Okay, my friends? There we go. So we got our sesame seed in there. And you know I like to clean everything off here. So let's just clean that spoon off. All right, so now we're going to add some ketchup. Crazy adding ketchup, right? Ketchup we usually add to barbecue recipes and things like that. But we're going to add 2 teaspoons of ketchup, okay? 1. We don't want to go crazy with this, but we want to give it a nice milky flavor, okay? So there's our 2 tablespoons of ketchup, guys. 1 teaspoon of rice wine vinegar. All right. There we go. Our rice wine vinegar. Now, rice wine vinegar, guys, again, if you watch my other videos, you know that rice wine vinegar is also a cure that we use in pickling. and things like that as well. So I always add that to some of my recipes. So we got the rice wine vinegar in there, and now we're going to put some ginger. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of ginger, guys, to this sweet sesame recipe. So 1 teaspoon of ginger here. There we go. I'm going to spread that around gingerly. All right, poor attempt at humor, guys. So that's it. We got all the kids in the pool. Take a look at this, my friends. Take a look at this. Well, look at all those beautiful colors in there. We're going to mix this up. Nice, sweet sesame beef jerky, guys. We're going to mix this up, and you're going to get some great beef jerky out of this. Now, you know we got to marinate this, again, for 48 hours, my friends. It's the best way to get the infused flavor. Oh, man, and I can smell this. It smells absolutely delicious, guys. All right, look at that. So this is a great one, guys. We're going to mix this around. I'm going to show you what this looks like. You're not going to believe it. It is so beautiful inside here. I want to mix it good. Now, I'm going to put this and marinate this for 48 hours. Then I'm going to come back after 24, though, and I'm going to hand toss this again. Okay? So this is going to be a nice, sweet sesame beef jerky. Let me wash my hands here, my friends. Let me show you what that looks like. There we go, guys. Sweet sesame beef jerky. This is the Fat Yankee here, guys. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and look out for my other beef jerky recipes and my other reviews. Thanks, guys, for watching.